Well, look who it is. Look who shows up. 2 o'clock in the morning. CMPD. I can only imagine what they want. I guess they're sitting in the car for a minute. We'll see if they come and knock on my door. I'm not sure if they're here for me or not, but it's odd that they park right out front of my car. This is weird. They came in with their lights on and then they turned them off and they park right in front of my car. So, well, see what he got going on. There we go. There we go. Crew wash. Hit him on Instagram. Contact information, everything. He'll pull up on you. Even if you got to go off-road to clean your car, he'll pull up on you. He got the off-road tires, so he'll pull up on you wherever you at. Big B. Crew wash. Get you clean. Look at that shine. God. Bro.
I let the door jams open so you can see I hit you.
That's him right there. Yeah, Tevin.
Oh, that's Tevin?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's Tevin. Okay. Another lane hog.
Okay.
Bro.
Yes.
This shine.
I clean the door jams all the way in there too.
God.
Yeah.
Door jams. Everything. Oh my God, the interior smells so good. Look at the wheels. Yes, sir.
I went with a gel tire shine.
Yeah.
So you shouldn't have to worry about the paint. But I'm gonna wipe them down one more time. This bitch look like I came off the shoulder. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Check my man out, bro. He's certified.
Yeah, certified.
God, this look good, bro.
It's a water repellent chemical.
Yeah.
That spray on your seat. So
Yeah.
anything that you spill right there, it will just repel right off the seat. So
My man.
make sure I take care of you.
My man.
No, yeah, you know.
Look at that. Shining. Brand new. Engine start, vibration, 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 vibration. Yeah, they will come back to back to back and just keep coming. So I'm telling you guys, it's sensitive enough. If somebody's cleaning your car, you're getting these notifications. You can imagine if somebody was trying to break in and steal it. So check out CarLock. Let's get to the video. Do you know what a 13-degree cold start looks like on a Scat Pack? Let me show you. Woo! 13 degrees in Charlotte, North Carolina. This ain't Buffalo. This ain't. First things first, before we even get this video started,
K-band.
let's get to the essentials.
A-band.
Shut up.
Laser.
Shut up. Yes.
GPS
Oh,
connected.
you already knew. It already knew. Yes. Yes. Right my face. Pause. 7. Yes. Oh, man. Guys, we got some good ass news, man. We'll get you guys in focus. Rain, sleet, or snow. The Glock is with me. Never have to worry about that. Always. But we've got some good news, man. We have a new, let me turn this down a little bit, put it on auto. We have a new channel sponsor, guys. We have a new channel sponsor, guys. I'm telling you. And who? See if I can get this box up there. Blackview, baby. Dash cam in full effect. The #1 dash cam company pretty much out there. I mean, I've never heard anybody that was better than them or even competing with them. Blackview is the truth, guys. I mean, so we reached out. We've been talking for probably the last 2 or 3 weeks or whatever, and they was like, we would love to have you as part of the, the ambassador program and get you on board, man. We see what you're doing with the channel. Numbers are booming. Subscribers, all that good stuff is booming. Your content looks legit, so we want to get you on board, man. So they sent me the, let me show you guys. They sent me the, what does that say right there? That's the 4K Ultra HD DR900X 2-channel plus. So basically, I will have a dash cam in the front and in the rear, and this is all control via my phone, which is right here, right? I'll be able to see what's going on with my car at all times, and then it comes with the magnetic or the magic battery that allows me to connect it to the car battery so that I can pretty much use the dash cam while the car is on and off, right? So while we're sitting here letting this car warm up, because it is cold as I don't know what, 13 degrees here in Charlotte, let's just go through the box, man, and see what they gave us. We got some official swag right here. Boom, t-shirt on deck. You can see all the smoke and stuff coming from the back. Or is this a bag? Oh, this is lit right here. Got the dope Blackview bag on deck. Oh yeah, we can definitely make use of that. I'm assuming that's where I'll put all of the cables and all that good stuff. We'll put that back there. Trash it, recycle. Oh, we got a hat on deck. Now you guys probably don't know this, but your boy's got a big head, so I highly doubt this is gonna fit, but I do appreciate the gesture. Certainly do. What else we got? What else we got? Oh, we gotta have a t-shirt as well. Yeah, okay, front and back situation right there, and then on the back, just in case you forgot, Blackview all day, baby. Yeah, I'm liking this already. We got stickers on stickers. Oh, these stickers are lit. Look at that. I like it. We got some more stickers. I'm just gonna tag up all of Charlotte, you know what I'm saying, with the sticker situation. This looks like one of those transparent ones where it's on the inside out. We got more stickers galore. Blackview is taking care of your boy. Stickers on deck. Never go wrong with stickers. I'm assuming this is, oh my lord, this might actually be something important and pertinent to, oh no, oh yeah, Blackview cup. You know what I'm saying? Get your drink on. Merchandise off the hinges. And then of course we have, last but not least, got a couple pins on deck as well. Blackview. T-shirt, bag, stickers, coffee mug. Even though I don't drink coffee, we can certainly utilize that. Trust me when I say that. T-shirt, all that good stuff. Big hat. I hope it, stretches out to a XXX. If it does not, then we may be out of luck on that. Digging into the box further, I'm assuming this is the actual cameras themselves right here. You know what I'm saying? This looks legitimate right here. 4K Ultra HD dash cam, smart, reliable, connected dash cam, Blackview cloud dash cams. This is the DR900X 2-channel plus. 2-channel plus, 2 channels, so that I have one in the front and one in the back, so I can always see what's going on around the car. And this is what the actual camera should look like. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with my police radar here. My homeboy Ed hit me up. So basically the way that I have it mounted right now is that obviously it's against the glass, but that's where the dash cam is going to be. But my man Ed put me on game and said that there's a mount for the police scanner that literally goes around your mirror, so it hangs off of the mirror instead of the glass. So I'm going to utilize that. Utilize that ASAP. So this is the actual camera. Comes with a 64 gigabyte memory card. I'm assuming that'll be plenty. Like I said, DR900X 2-channel plus. by all means, guys, let me know what you think about this. I'm sure some of you guys have it, even if you have like the predecessor or the one prior to. Let me know how you guys feel about the Blackview, because this looks solid right here. 2-channel 4K Ultra HD full HD dash cam with Wi-Fi and cloud. So I should be able to, you know what I'm saying, log in and see that bad boy at all times from anywhere. And then of course we have the Blackview Power Magic Ultra Battery B130X. B130X, that sounds like a military aircraft. B130X. Advanced power supply for your Blackview dash cam, parking mode, recording without using your car battery, charge another device from the built-in USB port. So it comes with the built-in USB port. I'll be able to utilize my Blackview camera while the camera is off. This looks solid right here. Battery pack, 1 year limited warranty, all that good stuff. Yeah, this looks solid. So that's what that looks like right there. I'm not sure where that'll go, but we'll figure all that out in due time. So we've got the Ultra battery pack. We've got the 2 cameras themselves. We got a bunch of swag, whole bunch of merch. What more could we ask for? Blackview, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Because this is definitely gonna come in handy for not only for security purposes, because obviously this will come in handy for the purpose of, you know, protecting myself and making sure that I'm in good order as far as driving is concerned. And God forbid if something happens and someone hits me and I got it on camera, you know, that makes my, you know, my representation as far as, you know, if I had to take it to a police officer or something like that, even stronger. At least it makes my case even stronger, simply because I've got video evidence now. You know, I've got video evidence in the front and the back of my car, which is where 90% of the car accidents are going to happen, in the front of the back. So that always helps. And then again, guys, I mean, for those impromptu situations where your boy may be out and about and I'm getting active, we're not going to define that word, but your boy is getting active, and you know, I don't have my GoPro, I don't have my Sony. This will do. Trust me when I say 4K HD, this will do just plenty. So we can go ahead and put some of that in. I'm not sure if it records the audio with it's hearing inside of the car, but either way, it's probably going to be better than my GoPro, because I use a GoPro Hero 8, which is what, 2 generations behind right now, or 3 generations. The 11 just came out recently. So this 4K HD is much welcome and much appreciated, as it is a needed accessory for the channel. I'm excited about it. Of course, I will show you the full installation. I just got this bad boy about 2 days ago, and of course Christmas is the day after tomorrow, so everybody's on holiday and all that good stuff. So I'll probably get an installation video up probably next week around that time. But DR900, let me just make sure I'm saying that correctly, DR900X 2-channel plus. If you guys have that, or if you used it in the past, let me know how you feel about it. And other than that, man, I'm loving it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so here's the story. I had to clickbait you a little bit. Those cops wasn't there for me, not at all. They happened to be there responding to something else, and they just happened to park in front of my car, and I saw it, took a picture of it. You know how that goes. Little YouTube clickbait magic, guys. But since you're here already, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I don't know if it's Merry Kwanzaa or Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, all that good stuff to all of my subscribers out there, all 202,000 of you, which is crazy to say, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you. It's been an amazing year. I know it's not the new year yet, so I don't know why I'm saying my goodbyes, but you know, happy holidays. Enjoy yourself, enjoy the family, man. Have a good time. Be cool, be safe. It's crazy out here. I got another video coming out tomorrow because Charlotte has been hot. Apparently, not only is it the holiday season, but it's robbing season as well. And the Dodge guys are paying severely for that, man. So I got a video coming out tomorrow that you guys should be interested in. But with that being said, happy holidays. Enjoy yourself, guys. Be safe. And I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.